Welcome back to Cocktail Logics. Today, I will be making a classic margarita. Grab your shaker, add 2-ounce tequila of your choice. Hit subscribe, share the video with a friend. Hit the like button. Add 1-ounce triple sec or orange liqueur of your choice. Hit the like button. If you have not, it definitely helps out the channel. Comment what you think of the video. Add 1/2 ounce lime juice. Remember to give us a like. We would appreciate it if you consider subscribing. Then add ice to your shaker. Shake for 5 to 10 seconds. Let's go ahead and salt the rim of your rock glass. Comment your favorite summer cocktail. Also tell us your go-to tequila for your margarita. Filled your rock glass with ice. Then pouring your concoction over fresh ice. Come on. Hit that like button if you like margaritas. Also hit subscribe. Click the bell icon on click all. Garnish with a lime wedge also. Remember to give us a like. We would appreciate it if you consider subscribing. Cheers.